How did that teacher get fired at your school? We were first graders and she made those of us who didn't have their homework kneel on salt/seeds/buckwheat. One of the kids in my class was literally the most obedient kid, and she was top of the class and always had her homework. That day she must have forgotten it at home. She made her kneel and the girl cried so quietly and without a sound and peed in her uniform. She transferred and never came back after that day. It was a private school. Parents heard about it and threatened to sue.